Hi children, in the last class we have completed the chapter The World We Live In and I have given you the second assignment also. Shall we check your answers? First Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, 66.5 degrees south latitude is called the Antarctic Circle. Second one, the longitudes are also called meridians. And third one, 0 degree longitude is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. And second Roman letter, match the following. First one, 23.5 degrees south latitude, it's Tropic of Capricorn. 23.5 degree north latitude, it's Tropic of Cancer. And third one, 66.5 degree north latitude, it's Arctic Circle. And 0 degree latitude, equator. 66.5 degree south latitude, it's Antarctic Circle. And third Roman letter, name the following. First one, the region of the earth that lies between 0 degree longitude and 180 degree east longitude is Eastern Hemisphere. And second one, 90 degree north latitude is North Pole. And question answers. First one, what are latitudes? The imaginary lines parallel to the equator are called latitudes. Second question, what are longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines around the earth connecting the North Pole and the South Pole. And the last question, what is a grade? How is it useful to us? The lines of longitudes and latitude cross at 90 degree and they form squares. These squares are called grids. And second point, the grids help us to locate any place on the earth. Hope all your answers are correct, children. We will move to the next chapter. See, our next chapter is about continents and oceans. As you know already, the earth's surface is not similar everywhere, isn't it? Some part of the earth is covered with water and some part of the earth is covered with land. See, the earth's surface is 100%. Out of this 100%, land occupies 29% of it. And the remaining area is occupied by water. That is 71% of the surface is occupied for water. Okay, therefore the earth is divided into continents and oceans. Today in this class we are going to see about the continents. So here, how many continents do we have? 7 continents. How many continents, children? 7 continents. See, 7 continents. What are the 7 continents? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. So how many continents do we have? 7 continents. As you know already, at the top we have North Pole, South, East and West. See here, this is Asia, our continent, and below this we have Australia, and at the South Pole, near to the pole, we have Antarctica. And here towards west we have Europe, and below that we have Africa, and at the bottom here South America, and at the north we have North America. Okay, totally how many continents we have? 7 continents. First let us see the continent Asia. This Asia occupies 30% of the land mass. Okay, from the land area it occupies 30%. It is the largest continent and there are 45 countries in Asia. More than half of the people of the world live in Asia. India is a part of this continent and important countries of this continent are China and Japan. And the second largest continent is Africa. Which is the second largest continent? Africa. There are 55 countries in Africa. Egypt and South Africa are the prominent countries in Africa. You all know the longest river in the world, Nile. It is located in Africa, and also the largest desert also is located in Africa. Which is the largest desert? Sahara Desert. And the longest river is River Nile. This is located in Africa. And the next continent is North America. It is the third largest continent. Okay. Here in this continent, the USA and Canada together occupies the major part of North America. Most of the area is occupied by USA and Canada. The Lake Superior, which is said as the largest freshwater lake, is in this North America. Where is this Lake Superior located? In North America. It is the largest freshwater lake. And the next continent is South America. It's the fourth largest continent. Which is the fourth largest continent, children? South America. Here, this South America and North America is separated by a canal, that is Panama Canal. Which canal separates North America from South America? Panama Canal. And how many countries are there in this South America? 15 countries. Here, the Amazon River, that is the largest river in the world, is in this continent. Okay, here which are the largest countries here in this continent, South America? Brazil and Antarctica are the largest countries in this continent. The next continent is Europe. Europe occupies only a very small area of landmass. It is the second smallest continent. And how many countries do we have in Europe? There are 34 countries. And it is the second most populous continent. The countries in this Europe are Britain, France, Germany and Italy. Here, the Caspian Sea and the Ural Mountain separates Europe from Asia. Europe and Asia is being separated by a mountain and a sea. What is it? It is Caspian Sea and the Ural Mountain. And next continent is Australia. It's the smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent and it is made up of Australia, New Zealand and thousands of smaller islands in the Pacific Ocean. Small islands are there, isn't it? Okay. And the last continent is Antarctica. This Antarctica is located around the South Pole. It is the fifth largest continent. It is the fifth largest continent. And this continent is completely covered by ice throughout the year. Throughout the year, it is covered by ice. People do not live here permanently. As it is completely covered by ice, people cannot live there permanently. In which continent is this? It is Antarctica. And the assignment for this portion is, first Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the largest continent. Second one, the Amazon river is in dash. Third one, the Caspian Sea and dash mountains separate Europe from Asia. And second Roman letter, choose and write the correct option. First one, dash percentage of the earth's surface is land. And second, the smallest continent is dash. Third one, Canada is in dash. And the third Roman letter, match the countries with the continents to which they belong to. First one, New Zealand, Egypt, China, USA, Brazil. And in the right side, the continents, North America, Asia, Australia, South America, Africa. Match the countries with the correct continents. And fourth Roman letter, name the following. First one, the ice covered continent. And the second one is the largest desert. Complete the assignment, children. Thank you.